Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the game files and acting fast. Locate Valorant, exe and Riot client services. Exe and program files /Riot games. Once there, right-click and choose Properties, then Compatibility. You must remove any checked compatibility options and disable high DPI scaling to avoid forced legacy modes. Make sure to apply changes as an administrator. This prevents Windows from reapplying settings. Once done, also verify your Windows build meets Valorant's minimum. Mismatches can cause the launcher to toggle compatibility automatically. Now you tackle services and drivers, which often re-enable compatibility. Update GPU drivers from the vendor's official installer, then restart. Next, open services. MSC and confirm Riot client service and Vanguard are set to automatic and running. Stop and start them if needed. If Windows still forces compatibility, check for enterprise group policies or experimental flags in the registry. Only change those if you understand the risk. And export a backup first. Make sure to run the Riot installer again after these changes so it writes clean settings. Finish by launching Valorant as an administrator once and accept any UAC prompts so Windows records the correct runtime. Confirm Vanguard anti-cheat shows as running in services and in Task Manager without compatibility flags. If the problem persists, perform a clean uninstall. Remove Valorant and Riot Vanguard, delete remaining Riot folders in program files and app data, then reinstall from the official installer. Troubleshooting tip. If compatibility keeps returning, check for corporate policies or third-party tools enforcing legacy modes and disable them before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.